say hello to my little friend.
Dropped it in there.
Really?
Pretty cool, isn't it? Oh, that's not very deep, boys. From one girl. It's like 16 inches deep. So it's less. Okay, now we gotta run across here and see where it goes, okay? No, as a construction worker, you must stay in tip-top shape. Let's go.
That's not as sweet.
That's not
Whoa, what is that? That's deep.
It's a deep, 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 deep pit.
A deep, dark hole.
It's a pit.
It's an abyss.
The problem is I don't even see. This is why they should pay me more. It's because I do this kind of stuff.
I just almost nodded on you out.
Yeah, I gotta scoot this back because I'm gonna climb down there a little bit.
Yeah, remember about those gases?
Yeah, I remember.
That thing will kill you dead.
I'm not gonna breathe it, okay? Promise.
You need a snorkel.
Okay. What if I just drop?
That would be terrible.
Oh,
We'll get you out.
oh. It's a good thing I've been stretching. Massive number. Let me show you. Come here. Look at that. 3 big pipes, but none of them are coming from the direction that I was checking. Pretty sweet. Back to the light. Here, Nan. Take him. Take him. Hurry. Ah, hey, Nico. That storm sewer doesn't come in here.
Doesn't?
No.
So you have to look for it.
Well, I might go to that one. Yeah. Practicing all my life with this. I believe this is not the right one.
This one is.
Oh wow. Oh, it's another.
Ah. It's almost been big again, huh?
Oh, it's the same one. Another big one. I'm not going down in that one though.
That one's way cleaner though, Al.
Yeah, it is. We could live in this one. Oh.
Until it rains.
Okay, one more. Just
Don't do that, Al.
okay. Let go.
Ow.
I got it.
It scared me.
Did I scare you?
I don't want to. Steel toes, do you?
I have steel toes.
Oh.
Yeah. That was just my toe. Just kidding.
Well, you know why. Come on now.
Hello!
My hand.
Is anybody home? I'll be right back.
You like Cajun food? You don't like Cajun food, huh?
I don't know.
It's like a lot of food, seafood.
I like it.
You don't good.
I'm not a huge squid guy, but so I have a plan. We're looking for how deep the storm sewer is, and I'm worried that we're gonna drill right through it because it's shallow, but I think it comes to this little area. See this thing I'm standing on? There's a 24-inch pipe that goes that way, and over there is the intersection we're crossing. So what I'm gonna do, my man Nico, is I'm gonna go get my radio. I'm gonna turn it on, and I'm gonna go over to that storm sewer and I'm gonna yell down it. And if you hear me, you yell back or you radio me. I guess if it goes to here, you could just yell back. That would be a good
I don't
idea.
like yelling.
You don't like yelling?
Only when it's.
Do you like yelling, Nanny?
I've never heard Nanny yell in my life.
That's because hers is more like a squeak. So Nanny and Nico are in a washout over there where I believe this storm drain goes to. So I have to open this lid really quick. And then I have to yell down it and see what is happening. Hopefully it goes that way. Here we go. I'm gonna yell. Nico! Nico! Can you hear me? Hello? Hello, hello? Do you think they can hear me? I don't know. I don't hear them yelling back. Nico! Hey! What you doing? Nico! What are you doing over there? Okay. I gotta call him and see. Hold on. Let me get my phone. Hey Siri, call Nico.
Hello?
Hey, did you hear me yelling?
No, yell again.
Okay, just a second. I'll put you on mute so you don't hear me. I'm gonna yell. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Nico! 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 Hey, Nico! What are you doing over there, Nico?
I hear you. I heard you, Al.
Did you hear him through the phone or through
Through
your-
there. Here. You listen. Hold on, Al. Do it again.
Did you?
Heard you, but Nanny doesn't believe me, so she's gonna check.
Okay, I'm gonna put you on mute and then I'm gonna yell again, okay?
Alright.
I'm getting kind of hoarse.
I definitely heard you.
Okay, here it goes. 1, 2, 3. Nico and Nanny! Can you hear me? Hey!
Yep.
You put it on mute.
Alright, Al, yeah, we heard you.
Did you hear me?
Yeah, we heard you.
Oh, our work is not in
Loud and
vain.
clear, but we heard you.
Are you sure you weren't just hearing me because I'm yelling really loud and it's traveling through the
Yeah,
air?
you can hear it through the tunnel.
Okay.
Yeah, you can tell.
Would it freak you out if my head just poked out underneath you?
I wouldn't, I don't think you fit there, Al.
It's a 2-foot pipe, bro.
Hey, go for it.
It's a little wet though, so I think I'm gonna pass.
Okay, next time.
Now the question is, how deep is it right there?
Right here where I am?
No. Right where we're gonna cross it.
Oh,
It's gotta dip down some point. Okay. Well, I'll see you in a minute. Well, apparently it goes across to that washout. Now we gotta put this back. One-handed. Are you ready for this? This is the intersection that we're crossing, excuse me, in the morning. We've got a bunch of potholes that we did today. No potholes down there. Tomorrow we're gonna drill it. That's what we're gonna do. Tomorrow's the day.